Hi guys, welcome to another video of Ultra Lightning Gamers. Today we are going to go into Scratch and create a new project. And so first you need to go to scratch.com, but I don't know why it says crest.org. And then tap on create once you go in there. And then you'll see that there is a sprite here, and there are some blocks here. And if you're wondering, like, what the hell are these blocks? You can you need to watch this video until the end. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna look at the these motion blocks in further, and variables are kind of basic as well, so we can do that. And but variables are just the extra part in the video. So if you don't want to learn about variables, you can learn all about variables in our next video, but I have no idea when it's gonna come out because I don't usually create videos. So let's go to motion, and then you can drag this block using left click or dragging with your hand like this. So we can move this here, and then as you can see, this block appears in the, I just call it coding window, but you can call it whatever you want. And then you can actually type a number here, but you can't type a letter. As you can hear, I'm spamming letters, but it's not working. So you can put 1, you can put 2, you can put 3, you can put 4. You could just put any number, like for example 999,000. Well, that is not 999,000, but so if you want to activate it, then just click the block itself, and then guess what? It's gone because it moved too far. And by the way, the max x coordinates you could go is 272. If you don't know about coordinates, you should definitely learn some more math. So this sprite dude right here, if you drag him, you can move him to the middle. Oh, and by the way, if you don't even know coordinates, then you can watch my other video. If I even have that video, I feel like it's coming soon though. So so if you wanted to make it, so there's this button that like activates like the blocks that you put here. But since the most important block that most people use is when the flag is clicked. This is the most important block if you want to like do a test or something. So you don't have to click like directly on the thing, because if you do, then it's gonna turn out like this. No, yeah, and it's a bit annoying. So it's a bit annoying because you need to always click it, and you can only do one code at a time. So the one flag clicked is really useful. So So if you want to make this step slower, you could just do 9. That's all I can think of. And then you press this button because it says when the flag is clicked. You just spam it and then it keeps going. Okay, now we can actually do more we can do more advanced with this move thing, but it's not gonna become handy today. So let's focus on these 2 blocks. Well, if you know what this one is, most importantly, if you know what this one is, then you definitely know what this one is. So I don't know why it's oh wait, okay. Oh, okay, I get them. Oh, that just turns it in. Oh, great. Okay, that's better. Now, now I know my camera's a bit weird right now, but I hope you can stand that. No, actually, yes, it's working now. Okay, now, now, if you know this block, then you know this block. So, you could actually, when you click this button, it turns it 15 degrees to the right, and you can actually change the input to 999999999, and then why is this not working? Oh my, why is this not working? Comment down the error in the comments. Okay, now I forgot to tell you to pause the video when you done that. So I could do the same with this one, and I can put it under there, which makes it, for example, let's do 90 degrees. And then you can actually combine the blocks to make like a cool combination, like this. Yeah, but the steps isn't enough, so I'll do 50. No, okay, yeah, 50. And then you click. It looks satisfying to me. I just spam the button. So to dump blocks, you can just drag the top block if you want to select the multiple blocks. Then you just drag into, you just drag into there, and that's it. And then you, I'm actually thinking, okay, then you could, this block doing go to random position actually makes it go to a random position in the whole screen thing. So if you want to do this, then you could go to mouse pointer, but for me it can actually go to the, I actually didn't know that. So wait. Okay, so when this flag is clicked, go to mouse pointer, and then guess why it's at the mouse pointer. This is definitely not a laptop, and I don't know how it's working, but it is kind of cool. So then I can just drag this here, and these coordinates are stuff, right? So these stuff goes to tells you where to go, where like the sprite goes. For example, go to negative 213, y 180, and then And then guess what? It goes to y to negative 213, y 180. But I could change these coordinates to make them, for example, negative 19. No, I'm just 19. 1. Let's try that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom. It's at this coordinates. And by the way, go to x0, 0. I think mix it exactly in the middle, and then I feel like that's it for this tutorial today. We'll learn more about the motion things in the next tutorial. And by the way, if you don't know coordinates, then you should learn some more math. Mention about variables. So a variable can hold a certain value with any number. For example, if there's like this little checkbox here, we click it, a variable appears. And then if you click it again, it disappears. So if you want to make a variable, click this. And then I personally don't even know for the sprite, but I'll try for all sprites. And then I'll just call it who. No, I'll just call it who tutorial. I spelled it wrong, but I'll do anyways. And then there's these blocks that actually show you the value of you can actually change the value of the variable. Right now it's 0, so I'll set it to like what, like probably 0.1, and I'll do that, and then I'll click it, and then boom, 0.1, and then this change thing actually adds or takes away. So then if you wanna take away, then you need to put the negative sign in front, which I can't. Actually, I can. And then you can do take away 0.1, and then it gets me. Why is my camera like this? I hate and then and then you could, if you could click it, and then boom, it's 0. And then if you click it again, it's negative 0.1 because they're taking away from 0, and then so on. Okay, now there's this other one called show variable and hide variable. So if you click this show, then it shows it, which is already shown, so it doesn't do anything. And then if you press this, it hides the variable. So the variable, you can't see the variable. And then if I press this, so if I press this, then boom, it's there. Okay. It's kind of cool, isn't it? And by the way, I haven't got time for any more tutorials today. I'll actually create the coordinates video today later on. So see you guys.